Hey YouTube, I'm going to do a video on this 12 volt auto heater defroster. I tore one of them apart. It's only $9.99, and then you have to have a coupon, but then you can get 25% off with another coupon, so take another couple bucks off. Around $8. There's a lot of neat parts in here that you could use for your do-it-yourself 12 volt projects. I tore it apart. I'm going to use the fan out of it. Here's what it looks like. There's what it looks like with nothing in it. I took everything out. It's got a front little grill on it. The reason I just wanted to look and see what was in here, so I tore it apart. You got this fan. And I just bought one of these on eBay for $11. This one's 0.3 amps. And it's a 12 volt fan. I'm guessing it's probably around 10 cubic feet per minute because it looks exactly like the one I bought off eBay for $11. So you could use this for a lot of different things. I'm going to put this on my passive solar to make it an active solar. Or you could use this, I could use this on my rocket stove, pellet stove. That's one part. So for $8 you can get the fan and then get all this other stuff free. You could use this part for like a heat sink, 12 volt heat sink, or just a small heater. Hook your positive, negative up to that, and this will heat up. It's just a small aluminum heat sink, so you could use that for one of your 12 volt projects. Got a little light duty switch here, on off switch, that you could use in 12 volt circuits. Got a small, looks like a headlight with two little LED lights in it. Got another, just a single LED. This is kind of a double switch. You got on, the center would be off, and then you got on, forward, off, on. It's kind of a nice little switch that you could use for something. What's really nice is this, it's a heavy duty cord. It's about 10 foot long, and it has a fuse holder, so you could put any size fuse. It's just a standard fuse. This one's 15 amp fuse. And it also comes with a cigarette lighter plug-in, 12 volt, the male end of it. So there you have it, YouTubers. It's kind of interesting. Pretty cheap for $8. You could go to Harbor Freight, tear it apart, and use it for one of your projects. Thanks for watching.